Struggling with a non-functional camera on your Windows 10 device? We have got the solution. In this easy to follow guide, we will show you simple steps to troubleshoot and fix your camera related issues in Windows 10. Whether it's an internal or external camera, our tips will have you back to capturing movements and video conferencing in no time. Watch now to solve the problem and snap those photos and videos hassle-free. To fix a camera not working on Windows 10, Step 1. Check for hardware issues like a disconnected camera. Step 2. Update camera drivers through Device Manager. Step 3. Enable the camera in privacy settings. Step 4. Reinstall the camera drivers. Step 5. Run the Windows troubleshooter for hardware and devices. Step 6. Check if other apps are using the camera. Step 7. Update Windows to the latest version. Step 8. If the issue persists, consider testing the camera on another application or contacting technical support.